Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Serrano here. Welcome back to the C Butler channel. And Tranya sent out their newest earbuds to the channel for review. Now, these are the Tranya T10 true wireless earbuds with 12mm drivers, IPX7 waterproof, fast Type-C charging, enhanced touch buttons, as well as aptX audio technology and crystal clear phone calls. So if that sounds like something that interests you guys, join me for the unboxing of the Tranya T10 12mm drivers, and let's begin the unboxing. Okay guys, so let's take a look at the Tranya T10 12mm driver wireless clear calls. So let's begin and take a look at these earbuds that are supposed to be the newest model and very improved. And I have used Tranya earbuds before and they are very impressive, guys. They are some of the most impressive earbuds. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the top. And first of all, you're greeted with the Tranya logo. As you can see here, a nice packaging and overall display offered by Tranya. Let's go ahead and remove the packaging. And right here you get your Tranya pamphlet with some information inside. So you get a warranty card, you get some really cool stickers, and you get a user manuals. We're gonna test these out, do a video test, audio test, latency test, as well as a fit test. And let's see how good these new upgraded earbuds are. So I'm going to remove the film right here. As you can see, I'm going to put that off to the side. You can see we do have right here the newly improved Type-C charging as well, which was a nice offering by Tranya. All right, let's see what's inside of the accessory box right here on the side. And we're going to be greeted with the Tranya charging cord, which is actually Type-C. Put that there, and you do get an extra set of earbuds, which are the silicone earbuds and tips. So you do get an extra couple of pair of those, which is actually really cool to see as well. Now this is a really nice size case. It does feel really small in the hands and does have a really nice small ergonomic size as well. So I definitely like the look and feel of this in my hand. It does have a really nice Tranya logo at the top. Has a mixture between a matte texture and sort of a glossy texture. Let's take those out at the same time. And press refresh. And there we go. Now it says the right one. So it says T10R. And let's hit that. Pop these in my ears. And the left and the right connect separately. So let's go ahead. It says aptX on here and it does say 100%. So let's begin the sound test as well right now. This is the audio directly coming out of the microphones of the Tranya T10 Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds. And the fit of these earbuds is really nice overall. If I had to rate the earbuds when it comes to fit, I would have to give them at least an 8.5 or a 9. The touch buttons are improved, and I do like the fact that if you double tap the right one, the volume will increase, and if you want to double tap the left one, the volume will decrease as well. And if you do long press for 2 seconds, it will pause. So if you tap it by accident, it won't pause the music accidentally. There's also no audio playback latency on these earbuds, and they have a really nice snug fit in the ear, and they don't shake at all. They're actually shaped really nice. The bass on here is really deep as far as the mids, highs, and lows. The treble is there as well, so you will be really enjoying the bass and treble on hip-hop. And when you're listening to rock, you will hear the instruments a lot better than you normally would because of the fine-tuned aptX
premium
Hey
sound.
guys, what's going on? I'm talking through the mic of the Tranya T10, and right now there's no outside noise except from my neighbors talking, but the noise cancellation mics might block that out, so that's why I have some busy traffic noise that I'm going to turn on right now. So let me know if you can hear me over the traffic noise. I have it at 20% volume right now, so that's actually really loud. In my studio, I would usually put that high if I was listening to music. So let me know if you can hear me over that. Then I'm gonna turn it down to 0 right now. So now it's back down to 0. So let me know how the microphones sound. But I'm gonna turn it almost all the way up so you can hear it really loud. And let me know how I sound over top of the traffic noise. So right now it's actually really loud, and let me know if you can hear me over that traffic noise. That would be really impressive. I'm trying to get back down now, but let me know how the mic sound quality test came out so far on the Tranya T10s when it came to outdoor noise and how it handled it. But overall, for this price, I'm really impressed with the Tranya T10s. I'm going to leave a link down below with the pricing on the Tranya T10s, 12mm drivers, wireless charging case. These don't offer wireless charging, but they do offer a wireless charging case, so you can have a case to charge these in. They block out passive noise cancellation really well. They have some of the best aptX audio that I've ever heard. And they have really good sound drivers, guys, really deep bass. So let me know how the mic's quality sound came out and everything like that, but I'm really impressed for the price of these earbuds. So let me know down below what you think about the Tranya T10s, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But one more time, I want to give a big thanks to Tranya for sending these out for testing these out for their test review. And I'll see you guys on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, later, crew. Peace.